To add a banner in Canva Docs, first delete your existing heading. Click the plus icon or press the slash key to open Quick Actions. Search for Design to open the design editor. Click Elements, then select Frames. Choose the square frame and adjust size to fill the page. Then, drag and drop your image into the frame. Next, add a heading element and enter your text. Adjust the text size. Change the font. Change the color. If the text is unclear, apply an effect like lift or outline. Click Save to insert the banner. Right-click the banner and select Expand to full width for a full width look. To lock the banner at the top of the page, click the three dots on the image and choose Set as Banner.